Hey everyone, welcome back to SpeakEasy English. I'm your host, and today we're going shopping in English. Let's go. You walk into a store. The assistant comes up to you and says, "Can I help you?" And you freeze. Don't worry. After this video, you'll know exactly what to say at every level. Beginner, intermediate, advanced. Let's go. Okay, let's start with the basics. These are simple, short phrases, perfect if you're just starting out. Phrase number 1. I'm just looking, thank you. I'm just looking, thank you. When the assistant asks if you need help and you want to browse on your own, you say, I'm just looking, thank you. Say it with me. Good. Phrase number 2. How much is this? You see something you like. You want to know the price. You say, how much is this? Or you can point and say, how much does this cost? Both are perfectly fine. Repeat after me. Phrase number 3. Can I try this on? Can I try this on? You want to go to the fitting room. You say, can I try this on? Simple, polite, perfect. Can I try this on? Great job. Those are your 3 beginner phrases. Let's move up. Now let's go a little further. These phrases are for when you want to be more specific, more confident. Phrase number 1. Do you have this in a different size? You love the item, but the size isn't right. You ask, do you have this in a different size? Or more specific, do you have this in a medium? Do you have this in a large? Repeat. Phrase number 2. Is this on sale? You want to know if there's a discount? You ask, is this on sale? Or, do you have any discounts on this? Say it. Is this on sale? Phrase number 3. Can I pay by card? At the checkout, you want to use your credit or debit card. You ask, can I pay by card? Or, do you accept card payments? Repeat after me. You're doing great. Now let's go to the advanced level. These are phrases that native speakers use. Natural, fluent, confident. Phrase number 1. I'm looking for something in a neutral tone. Any suggestions? You want help choosing. You're not sure what you want. A native speaker says, I'm looking for something in a neutral tone. Any suggestions? This shows confidence and vocabulary. Repeat. Phrase number 2. Could you gift wrap this for me, please? You're buying a present. You want it wrapped nicely. You say, could you gift wrap this for me, please? Very polite, very natural. Could you gift wrap this for me, please? Phrase number 3. I'd like to return this. I have the receipt. You bought something. It didn't work out. You go back and say, I'd like to return this. I have the receipt. Or, I'd like to exchange this for a different size. Repeat after me. Those are your advanced phrases. You just went from beginner to native level in under 7 minutes. So let's do a quick recap. Beginner. I'm just looking, thank you. How much is this? Can I try this on? Intermediate. Do you have this in a different size? Is this on sale? Can I pay by card? Advanced. I'm looking for something in a neutral tone. Any suggestions? Could you gift wrap this for me, please? I'd like to return this. I have the receipt. 9 phrases, 3 levels, 1 video. Save this. Practice out loud. And I'll see you tomorrow for day 13. If you haven't subscribed yet, hit that button right now. New video every single day. See you tomorrow. Bye.